Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right now is two two 22, and I want to ngonfig this. Itu dicolokin sini dulu baru di ini biar gak nyetrum. Gak apa-apa, ya udah. And this is his laptop for config. Where is Mikrotik router?
Mikrotik mana Zikri coy? Zikri mana Zikri? Nih ada mana?
Telepon.
Wah.
Telepon Zikri.
Oh Zikri ya.
And this is guys. Ngeblok Aidon.
Aku aja baru 29.
Stop sama kita bis. Untung ada teman.
And I want to config a Mikrotik router, but I not yet to study the Mikrotik or MTJ. So this is so hard for me because I not yet to study it. But Bismillah, I can do this. And I want to see you about the topology. And this is the topology. First one from the MLS. And second is router, and number third is Mikrotik, and I want to configure a Mikrotik. Yes, so nice. And right now we will configure a Mikrotik, and first one we will add the address, and we change the topology, and address is 20/20/20 /2/30. We change the topology, and we will add for the bridge for the loopback. Bridge, and we add for the loopback and apply, and we'll add the address for the router ID for the loopback, and this is the address router ID for the Mikrotik, because the Mikrotik is router 3 or third router, and we add the OSPF. This is the router ID OSPF, first OSPF, and we add the area backbone. The area backbone is like area 0 for the Cisco, and at the Mikrotik we call this area backbone, and then at 20/20/0, and this is for the network for the PC3. We add the network for the OSPF area backbone or area 0 at the Cisco, and this is the router 2. We will configure, and we see the COM and PuTTY and serial and COM 4 and open, and we will configure router 1 for the router Cisco. We enable and configure terminal we add the hostname R1 because this is the first router, and interface gigabyte 0/0, and we will add the IP address 10.10.10.1. This is for the IP laptop, and no shutdown. And we wait for the loading, and we exit, and we interface for the loopback 0. IP address, we will add the IP address 111 slash 32, and this is router ID, the router OSPF 1, router ID 111, and one network 10.10.10.0.0.0.3, area 0 or area backbone. Area 0 is area backbone, and we add the every network here, and the area 0, and exit, and we do right for the, this is router 2, and I want to configure this, and we add the putty and serial and COM4 and open. We will configure this, and no, enter. And this loading, and this is the router 2. Enable and configure Assurance. And configure terminal. And we will add the interface gigabyte 0/0, no shutdown, and we will add the IP address, and IP address is 10.10/0.2, and we'll add the IP address is not on, yes. Add the IP address 2020/21. We'll add again, for the IP address. Mention ambiguous comment. What is this? And then we add the IP address, and this is router ID 2.2.2.2 because this is PC2 and router 2. This is a router ID, and we add the network area 0 or area backbone. at the network, and we'll try to check to show IP interface brief. Yes, and we save this one, this configure. Finish. And we will check for the ping. This is a microtic. We will ping to router 1. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. And yes, finally. We will check for the router 2. 2.2.2. Yes. And finally this work. And we will check for the computer 1. And wow. And 2, and this is work again. Yeah. And now we will check the ping for the router 1. From the router 1 to router 2 is work, and 3 is work, and to PC2 is work, and to PC3 is work. And yes, this is work.